a little too much water going down the gravity hose waterfall.
Still flowing good. Now it should get more coming over this.
The pipe is right in there.
And look at that flow coming out. It's awesome. Drained the pond today. Gonna clean out the bottom of it Tuesday. Hope to wrap this puppy up Tuesday. Got a boulder we need to put there. Edging on the liner on the sides here. Still getting a little water coming underneath the waterfall rocks. Foam that in some more. We got some planting done today. Perennials. Blue-eyed grass right here. We'll add some boulders so nothing gets over this walkway during rain. Still got some backfill here to do. Got these grasses planted, northern sea oats. Some more blue-eyed grass right here. Another nice ornamental grass. Another tiny little green Japanese maple. All the majority of the limbs growing over the water, which I love. And then we got this cast iron plant. Gonna add some more of it to this hillside right here to make it look kind of tropical. And there'll be a lot of ferns in here as well. All in here, ferns. Getting close. Should have the water truck here this week. Fill this puppy up and start enjoying living the aquascape lifestyle. Hey, it's a great day at Hoaglandscape. Excitement abounds as we are getting ready to turn this puppy on later this afternoon. 2 water trucks are coming with 14,000 gallons of water. Right now, the guys are installing the last bit of plumbing. We got our 2 hoses running up to our spillways. Got 1 more pump to connect. We're just putting the liner through the bulkhead fitting, as you can see right here. And we'll backfill and we'll be ready for that part anyway. We got a lot of edging still to do on the pond itself. Up there at the top, we got to do some edging, but been putting in some plants. We're putting in lights right now. I'm using the Aquascape 3-watt LEDs. Viewing area is going to be back here on the tea house primarily, and this patio. Got a light here, right in there. Then we have another light. There it is, right here. Waterfall lights next, and go up that terrace. We got a total of 13 waterfalls, so this thing ought to be amazing when it's running. Excitement is here. I just think I heard a big truck on South Fork Drive in Belmont, and it is. The first water truck is here. Let's check it out. He didn't seem too excited. It's our first waterfall! Nah, but it's water! Before we get submerged in water, Macario's working on details, getting the wire hidden for the lights. The moment is here. We're gonna turn the pumps on. So this is our filtration pond. Got a nice waterfall going into it. Yes, we still need to do details, hiding the foam and doing a little more proper edging, including over here. But this will fill up and start cascading over these falls. Now, check out this waterfall. I love it. Coming off 2 sides there. Really cool. Then splitting that rock. limestone boulders. Check it out, the magic. A little gravity fall over here. It's great. Called a bridal fall. It's Brian Helfers's idea after he showed me a picture that I think I told you about. 3 bottom waterfalls in conjunction. Really, really cool. My beautiful wife checking it out right now, Christy. Here's our stepping stones. All right, here we go with the left side waterfall. Look at this. Coming off that limestone boulder, all those crevices look so good. This is the waterfall stone I picked out. Love all the crevices in it and how it kind of gives it a lift right there in the middle. Check that out. Here's our filtration pond and the waterfall there. We're already attracting freeloaders over here, man. I don't know. Rough company here.
Glad to be here.
You can see one of our pond power heads. Now this area will be covered by the front of the Japanese tea house, so you won't see this area. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Listen to that sound of water. It is just incredible. I love it. I love my job. Check it out.